Take off your bra or your sports bra and remove your pants. How to use the shower toga. Okay, so you have the shower toga logo on the bottom. You're going to put it on over your uniform. You remove your top layer. For men, you're going to wear it around your waist like this. And you have these reach through openings. These reach all the way through. Take off your undergarments. For women, you're going to take it, put it up underneath your bra or your sports bra and lift it right on up. Take off your bra, reach through and remove your pants, undergarments, everything. Now drying off. Now you should be completely clean. Now I'm going to show you how to get dressed. Your shower toga is going to turn into a bag. Take your dirty items, put them into your shower toga. Tighten up the other end. And now you are clean.